Auto Fanatic CT coming at you on a rainy Monday. How's everyone doing today? I want to take a second and thank each and every one of you guys. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't done so, please do so. It's free, it's easy, and it doesn't cost a thing. I appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you know when the next Auto Fanatic CT video debuts and drops. Again, we're growing these subscribers, so I really appreciate it. I wanted not a whole week to go by, and I just wanted to say thank you to each and every one of you. I appreciate it. I want you to know this past week I've gotten some goodies in the mail, and I can't wait to share them all with you. I'm going to be doing some unboxing videos, and what I'm going to do, instead of doing the typical one at a time, I got this, I got that, I want to make sure I kind of put everything on the table, open it up, and like I said, I want to go through each and every modification and thing that I've purchased so you guys have an idea of why I'm doing what I'm doing and where I've also purchased them from. So I think it's really important, because what happens is you get these type of cars and you all of a sudden start just buying parts, throwing parts at the car without being calculated. And now that I'm on my second M340, I'm doing things just a little bit different. So I can't wait to share that all with you. Again, I just wanted to give you guys a quick hello on this rainy Monday morning. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Looks like in the Long Island area we should be getting some little bit warmer climates this next week, so that is nice. All the snow that you see all over the place, the residual snow that's left, is actually gonna be gone hopefully after this little bit of rain too. Should be hitting close to the 50s today. But I will tell you guys, this I miss my blue car, I miss my blue M340, but I really don't. I am loving this car a lot. I'm feeling it today. It looks like a dark gray, it looks completely different, the paint. This was well worth the extra money that I spent. It's exactly what I was hoping for, and there's nothing like just a beautiful paint that's gonna end up just changing the whole vehicle. We're pulling into the Auto Fanatic CT domain. Got wifey's X3 M40i. She's also a BMW enthusiast, thanks to moi, you know that. Let's park the car, let's go outside in the rain real quick. Let's take a look at this bad boy. All right. As you can see, the paint just looks different in a way, but when the dark overshadowing happens, overcast I should say, it completely changes. Man, these are some big raindrops. Completely changes the paint. That little rumble. You know what's interesting? I'm looking at the exhaust tips, right? And I will tell you this, it seems like they're definitely different than the ones that were on my last one. Same style, but these have like I don't know if you guys could tell, they're supposed to be gloss black, but against that gloss black, they almost look like a chrome black. I like it actually. The other ones were just gloss black. Car is looking sweet. Again, thank you guys. Look at it. I'm crazy. Anyways, let me get back in the car. Yes. Man, what a nice place to be. I am loving this car. I am definitely loving this car. So anyways, guys, thank you all so much. I appreciate it. Stay tuned. This is just a sneak peek. I just wanted to let you guys know I did get some I got some parts in. I got some nice parts for you guys, and I cannot wait to go through each and every part with you guys. I got a few more boxes coming, so I kind of want to do it all at once, but I also didn't want a whole week to go by without letting my subscribers know that I have something in store for you. I have some nice parts, and I can't wait to just lay it all out and go through the flow of what we're gonna do with the car. And again, I promise you I'm not gonna ruin anything, because this car from the factory is beautiful. It doesn't need much, but at the same time, this time around, I kind of want to do something just a little bit, and I'll be honest with you, me doing a little bit more to the car is probably going to make me want to keep it towards the end. It's my guess. I know we have a few years before the lease is up, but at the same time, I become attached because I still know I'm still attached to my blue car, have sentimental value. It's gone now, but we're gonna have new memories with this one. And yeah, like I said, I really can't wait to show you guys the new parts. But let me guys know if you're interested in the X3 M40 too. I'll be more than happy to do a quick walk around and a tour of that one. That one's also an M40, same engine as the one I have, the B58. You know, these B58s they're the new Toyota Supra 2JZ engines. You know, I mean, this is the engine that's, you know, everyone's talking about. It's the new kid on the block in a sense, in a way. It is and it's not, because you know, it has evolved a little bit in the past decade or so, we'll say. If it's even been around that long. Yeah, it's been around almost about that long. But incredible engine. Completely, you know, just kind of slept on for a while, and now it's starting to blow up more and more. Meaning blow up, you know, not explode, but blow up meaning popularity blow up. I want to make sure I clarify for all my auto fanatic fans out there. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you if you guys have stayed all the way to the end. I know you are a true Auto Fanatic CT fan. I can't wait to talk to you guys soon. I can't wait to share all the exciting new parts that I got and explain to you why I did what I did and where we're headed with the car. So I will talk to you all soon. Stay tuned. Hit that bell notification. Throw me a like. Throw me a muscle emoji if this video is strong. Let me know. And also let me know, are you interested in the 2021 X3 M40, the wife's car, and what it's all about? Let me know if you're interested in seeing a quick review on that one. I know a lot of the people that drive M340s and so on and so forth are also thinking about maybe jump into the SUV game, you know, but or I should say SAV, sports activity vehicle. BMW doesn't like us calling it SUVs. But thank you so much. I will talk to you soon. We out.